Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit World. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get CARES Act Round 3 Small Business Grant of $30,000. Yes, so we are finally in round 3. The round 2 is still going on, so if you want to apply for it, you can do that. We have plenty of material available on Credit World channel, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $65,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video and upcoming grant videos, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video, it helps the channel grow and motivate us to make great content for you like this one. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So finally, after a lot of requests, messages and emails, right here in front of you, an opportunity for the people and the state of Virginia. Yes, this grant is for the Chesterfield County, Virginia, and you can get this grant of up to $30,000. Yes, in this video I will tell you each and everything step by step with complete eligibility criteria, so please watch this video till the end in order to know that what are the things and the documents you need in order to get this grant. So I'm going to take you on a tour of its application as well, and I'm going to tell you how the application looks like. So we are going to open this web page. I am going to paste the link below of this website in the video's description. You can go there and click on it. So when you click on the link, this page will open. So all you need to do, you need to scroll down and see the heading right here, Back in Business Grant Round 3. Yes, this is the round 3. They are already done with round 1 and 2, and I've already made the videos on round 1 and 2 way back in August and September. So if you haven't watched those videos or you haven't participated in this grant program, now this is the third and the final opportunity for you, especially in Virginia. So if you are in Chesterfield County, Virginia, you have to get this grant, because you know that the other word for grant is free money, means you won't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. So when you come under this headline, all you need to do, you need to click right here, Back in Business Grants. It's just right after round 3 of the Back in Business Grants, and this is a link right here, so you need to click on it. So let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this page will open. All you need to do, you need to scroll down and first go through the eligibility criteria. Well, of course, when you will open the page, you won't have to go through that because I'm going to take you on a tour of it. So remember, this is the round 3 of Back in Business Grants. Yes, that's what it is, and you can get eligible and you can use this CARES Act fund. Yes, these funds are actually allocated under CARES Act guidelines, and this is the round 3 as already told you, and you can use these funds for employees compensation, including wages and benefits. Of course, you can pay your employees their salary or wages. You can use it for your working capital, and you can use it for the equipment inventory if you want to have some inventory or any other thing that will help you run your business. You can get it. You can also pay your rent as well as mortgage as well, so don't worry about it. If your business is on rent or you have mortgaged it, then you can use these funds to pay those down. Now the other things, that other business critical operating expenses. So in short, all I can say that you can use these funds for pretty much anything that is connected and related to your business. So yes, you can use that. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So yes, this is the round 3 as I already told you, and the first one is that your business must be located under the premises of Chesterfield County. Yes, if your business is located under Chesterfield County, Virginia's premises, then you are good to go. You can get this grant. Now the second one, that must have a current Chesterfield County business license. Yes, you have to have a business license from the Chesterfield County if you are operating for it. This is quite obvious. If your business is located under Chesterfield County, then you have to have a business license from them, right? And the third one is that, before in round 1 and 2 they required at least 2 years of business tax returns. So now there's no requirement like this. All they need to see is that you have a copy of your 2019 filed federal tax return, of your business federal tax return. So if you have that tax return, you are good to go. You can get this grant. Now the fourth one is that must have at least 30,000 but no more than 6 million in annual gross revenue. So minimum threshold is from $30,000 to $6 million, and that's quite a lot because most of the businesses, or most of the grants I mean, they actually allow you to have at least $2 million of revenue in a year, and they're going up to 6 million. So if you have over $6 million of revenue, you're not eligible for this grant. But if you are staying under 6 million or over $30,000, then you are good to go. Now the fifth one is must be able to demonstrate at least 25% loss in revenue because of the pandemic. So yes, of course, if you have your business, and of course you know that with this pandemic pretty much every business has been impacted with the pandemic. So I know that you must have either less revenue in the previous year, or you must have a decrease in the revenue because of the pandemic. So if you do, all you need to do, you need to provide them your profit and loss statement or your bank statement, and you need to show them yes that you've been impacted and your revenue has been cut down for at least 25%. Now let's talk about the sixth one, that franchises do not need to be headquartered in Chesterfield County but are eligible for only one grant. So that's one thing, and this is what I really like. So if you are a franchise or you own a franchise and its headquarters is somewhere else in United States, so you can still get this grant, but only one time, so don't worry about it. So like first they had this requirement that the headquarters has to be located in Chesterfield County. So you can get it if your franchises are not in Chesterfield County, so don't worry about it. Now let's talk about the seventh one, that the business that have received other funding assistance including PPP or EIDL are eligible. This is so cool because like most of the grants, they never allow you to have the grant if you already received a PPP or EIDL, but in this case they are allowing you to have it. This is so cool, and I believe this is one of the best benefits that the Chesterfield County and Virginia state has for the people. So this is quite amazing. Well, we talk about the non-profit, the actual rules are pretty much the same, so I'm not gonna go into that. There are a couple of more differences. Those differences are quite common, so you can go through that, so I'm not going to get into that. So now let's see how the application looks like, because I don't want to stretch this video a lot. So when you come right here, all you need to do, you need to, under application portal, you need to click on right here, webportalapp.com. As soon as you click on it, they will ask you to actually sign up. So right here you can click on sign up. So as soon as you do that, they will ask you for your email address, your password, and of course terms and conditions. Then they will send you a link on your email address, and then you have to fill that form in order to get this grant. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below, and remember that right after this video I am going to make another video which will allow you to get $65,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.